I guess a great example of that is the staff and contractor onboarding flow. Prior to us automating this process, it would take upwards of 6 hours on and off for us to onboard a new staff or contractor. I guess it was run out of an Excel workbook, if I'm completely honest with you. It had some templated emails in it, but there was lots of backwards and forths and a huge reliance on individuals to remember what was going on and to keep that process ticking. It took me about 20 hours to build that process. It's quite a meaty one, and it was probably our first more high complex process that we built. We had some pretty amazing engagement and ownership with the lovely ladies that run that process. And I asked them post go live, just gut feel, how much time is this saving you now? And they estimate between 3 and 4 hours. So 3 and 4 hours per new start is a pretty decent saving, I think. And the feedback from them was along the lines of, I don't need to remember where the process is at, and the system just keeps it on track, and I get the notifications when I need to do something, which I guess in turn allows them to provide more value add to the business.